Dear users, in this tutorial, we will show how to customize the store registration form of Agile Store Locator plugin. So let's start with removing the fax field. For that, go to Plugin File Editor. Select Agile Store Locator from the list. Click on the public directory and partials. And select the form template. Search for the fax field in the form. Make sure to select the fax column in HTML. Remove the entire column of it. Update the changes and refresh your store registration form page. Now, as you can see, the fax field is removed from the template, so it will no longer appear in the registration email as well. Now let's us demonstrate how we can make the phone and email fields mandatory. So users must add those values while submitting the form. Again, go to the same file that we were modifying and search for the phone and email fields in the HTML code. Add the required tag at the end of both fields. And save the changes. Now once you will test it, it will prompt the user to add these fields before submission. In the last, we will back up our template, so it doesn't go away with the updates. So let's go to the Store Locator dashboard. Click on the backup template, and select the store form to backup. That's it. Thank you for watching. For more videos, subscribe to our channel.